Sa Manila Med, meron tayong imimit na estudyante na graduate sa Medicine 2020. Doon niya ako makita. Sa Manila Med, meron tayong imimit na intern na nag-graduate ng 2020. So daw ako mamit. Hey, wow! Nice meeting you!
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Akhil Kumar. So, this is my friend. He wants to see me after 5 years after graduation from Emilio Aguinaldo College of Medicine. Why do you want to see me?
After a long time, nice to meet you, sir, again.
You came from India?
Just to meet.
Okay, sige, let's talk. Okay?
Thank you, sir.
How come I'm so popular with you?
Because of our third year medicine class,
Surgery. Okay. So, direct from India, went to Manila.
Yeah, direct to Manila Med.
Yeah, direct to Manila Med to see me.
Yeah.
For visiting me, my friend.
Thank you, sir.
So, what can you say about our talk?
It was really impressive and worth it.
Okay, worth it coming to Manila to visit his favorite surgeon teacher.